Okay, let's get straight into it. Left jab. Now, fighting position is the most important thing before we do this. If we're not in this fighting position, we ain't going to execute the move. So it is so important, the fighting position. When you're doing the repetitions, after each repetition, check the position. If it's not correct, then you're not going to throw the move correctly. So I'll do it from the front. Now, with the jab, we've got a jab from here, from the shoulder. We've got a jab when the shoulder turns in, which protects this side of your face. And always remember, one goes, one stays. You see? Always one by your guard. Now, the third jab you can do is a power jab. When you turn through and twist the leg round, like this, it'll give you more power. It's a little bit slower, but it'll give you more power. So the basic jab from the shoulder, it's not one I really like. The old karate guys like to do this. For me, no. I prefer the boxing one. Okay, so I'm going to give you 3 to play with from there. Protects the side of the face. And again, when you jab or you do execute any kind of move, you must exhale. So from the side. Position, I'm sat over my legs. I feel comfortable. From there, and back. Position, and back. And back. Position. Power. Or you can breathe through your nose. Now, if I'm out of range, it's very important I step into range. Tiny little step. From the front, in range. Left jab.